Uh, Hello, today I just got my cordless pressure washer and I'm gonna open it. Well, I already opened the box, so to see what it comes in the box and show you, just in case you wanna buy one like this, got it at Walmart. It comes with a hose, um, with a filter, this attachment. This is the actually this is the gun. It comes with a battery. Oh shit, this battery is broken. You gotta return it, I guess. But it's a 21 volts battery. But damn, um, a little disappointed. But let's put the battery up to the side. This is the adapter to add a soap. It, it comes with a bunch of adapters. Uh, comes with a charger, the nozzle, um, more adapters, and this one to clamp it to a bucket, so the hose doesn't get out the bucket. Okay, I'm just gonna assemble it, and I'll I'll see how it looks all together. I just added the soap. It is like to add the soap bottle. It will look like that, and with the hose adapted plugged, it's gonna look like that. And that is kind of ready to run. Just need to put this end of the hose into the water, and then, well, I'll go outside and try it and see how it works. If you like it, you can buy it. I got it at Walmart. Even with the battery that is cracked, but it works. Now it's just pumping air, but I'm gonna go outside and try it out on the floor. I don't expect to have a lot of pressure because it's just a small gun. It's not electrical, it's cordless, but it should do the job for a car wash. Filling up any pocket, so to test it out and see if it works. Well, now I got bucket. I added a little bracket, this hose, to close this machine, and I'm just gonna be testing it to see if the pressure, how it works. Should work pretty good. We're gonna try it here. It's gonna take a while because it's pulling the water through. Is it working or not working? There you go. Takes a while because it has a low flow. We're gonna change settings. Use the zero. I'll try that one. Okay. Shower. I'm gonna try a different one. Let's see that one. Okay, that's like a 40. Oh, nice. I like this one. This is like 110 degree. Oh, okay. 110 degree. Ground is 0 degree again. 0.1. Long range. I mean, for the price of this machine, it's very good. I guess so the only inconvenience that it came with a broken battery. I probably will have to return it and see if I can buy it again at the same price. Well, if you guys like it, see how it works. I think it's pretty good for washing a car. Should do the job, and just need to attach also the bottle for soap and wash one of those cars. Okay, well, just wanna make a video for you guys so you can see it before you buying it. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. I mean, for the price, it's like a $40, $30. I mean, 37, 40, like a $45. It'll be worth it. I like this thing. Okay, well, I'll make another video later if something goes wrong, let you know. But for now, I kind of like it, and I'll see what can I do with the battery.